So today we're working on the 49 Dodge. We'll try doing a couple things here. We got the old oil bath air cleaner on there. New plugs, new wires, new everything. It turns over, it fires, but it just won't start it. So we're gonna do a couple things. Well, we'll figure it out. But gotta take a look. 1949 Dodge, Flathead 6. It was in storage for 40 some years. Pretty decent. I got that on there so it won't scratch the windshield. I actually turn them on all the time. You got the interior. Seats aren't too bad underneath. There's actually seat covers on the back. Let's see here. It's like 77,000 miles on it. And the oil was last changed, and well, it was due for it in 1963 with 73,000 miles. The chassis was lubricated at 72,000 miles. So yeah, November 27th, 1963 was the last time this thing's been serviced. Pretty good. I took all the floor mats out because they want rust. It's pretty good shape. Put different wheels on it right now. I got the original wheels and hubcaps, but I thought those looked pretty badass. I guess it was originally sold by Huntress Motors in Janesville. I got my hobbyist plates on there, so you can pretty much do anything you want with it. But overall, I sprayed some clear coat on this fender just to kind of see how it goes, and I don't know if I like it, but I have everything to do the brakes, brake lines.